Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day. Welcome to this Desku webinar and giveaway session. On my right hand side, you can see from the screen is Gaurav Nagani, founder of Desku. Gaurav, can you say hi to everybody?
Hi everybody, it's
Oh,
Gaurav here from Desku.
mhm. Okay, thank you, Gaurav. So before we actually go into detail of this webinar, let me do some housekeeping. So housekeeping means we will do some what they call here. So please click this link melonapp.com slash Facebook to give Melon permission to show your name as well as a profile photo in the chat so that we are in the back end, we can see your name and profile photo and let us communicate better in that sense. So that is my request and hopefully everyone will do that. Okay, I see one guy already, but you don't know who is this because there is no name yet. So don't worry. Let me introduce this webinar. Or what is this webinar all about? Today we are going to explore a little bit detail on this Desku. Is a what I call a support desk app. Founded by this founder called Gaurav, Gaurav Nagani, But I do not know what's the meaning of Gaurav. So don't worry, maybe afterwards Gaurav can explain. So before we start, I would like to ask a few questions to Gaurav, and then after that we will also go into detail of the demo, and you can always ask your question inside the Facebook chat. So Gaurav, can you tell me what actually is the meaning of your name, Gaurav? And also why you choose this name, That's Cool, for your app.
Yeah, sure, definitely. Thank you, Albert, for introducing me to the community. Let me start with my name first. Basically, Gaurav means pride. Uh, so, yeah, that is the meaning of my name.
Mm-hmm.
And when we talk about Desku, there was no particular reason for choosing this name, but if you are a support agent, then most of the time you are spending with your customer queries or solving your customers' queries or being on your desk. And basically, meaning of Desku is that desk with you. That was the initial meaning when we started this.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah.
Okay, no, because but that's cool is quite I mean, nice name to hear. But because sometimes when founders name their app, it could mean different thing in different languages. So sometimes we come across some names which are vulgar in certain culture and communities. So
Right.
hopefully this
No,
name is
yeah,
not
we are
vulgar
safe.
in that sense.
Yeah, we are safe from that. Like we are too far from that, so that's like completely fine.
Okay, that's good. And okay, let me ask a little bit about this background of your team, if you have a team, and what is your background? Are you a developer or are you just a entrepreneur?
Right. So basically, Desku is a product of a parent firm called Tertius Infotech. We have been working with international clients for around more than 7 years, and most of the times we have developed SaaS apps or on-demand apps. And some of the few key clients we have are Discovery Channel. Then we have worked for Arkansas Municipal Department. We have worked with some of uh, the the developers who are already working in AT&T. So like we have did projects for some big clients as well, and most of the clients which we have are startups. So when we started Desku, before that we have been working with lots of clients, and then we decided to create an help desk system for ourselves. And basically our team is uh, we are currently 8 people working on Desku full time, and we are looking to expand as well.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's good. So because I believe that there are a few competitor product in the market, especially
Right,
in Epsumo. So sometimes I would say that you need to what I call a bracket to convince potential buyers, why your product is
right,
better, why should we buy your product, So I'm sure your product is actually consists of a few major components. So the first one definitely the help desk, the live chat, third one is a knowledge base, and I also know that you are going
right,
to incorporate a chatbot in the
right,
future. So I think you should actually go into the backend of your app and show us, why is this Desku, something that is better than the other competitors. Will you please?
right. Yeah, sure, definitely. So I should start with sharing my screen, right?
Yes, you already shared the screen, you can see
Okay.
that.
Yeah. Yeah. So as you can see, like we have let me start with the first thing. When we created help desk, our goal was to create and provide everything in a package. Suppose if you are a business, these are the four essentials things you will need, like a help desk, a live chat, chatbots, and a knowledge base, right? And
Hmm.
this is what we are trying to do. Like we are combining everything in a platform. As you can see right now, we this is the dashboard of Desku, where you can see all the integrations. Then we have some widgets for open tickets, then tickets rating, customer details, and all those tickets which are assigned to a particular person, which is you, right? So you
Hmm.
can see all the stats here. Uh, all, as you can see, all this dashboard is a customizable one. You can create new dashboard from here. You can add widgets according to your need. There are lots of widgets right now, and our team is working on adding more as well. So the first thing you will see is a dashboard. Then the second menu is of the tickets. Suppose uh, you are allowing your customers to create tickets or raise queries, then that will be displayed here. And currently we have four ways of creating tickets. You can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Perfect. Yeah. So yeah, currently there are four ways of creating ticket. You can, as you are an agent, you can create ticket from here, or you can provide a shared inbox email ID. From there, your customer can also create tickets. If someone is contacting you from the live chat widget you have implemented on your website, then you can create tickets from that as well. And there is a front end page from where your customer can enter the details and they can create tickets. So we are covering almost all the aspects of creating it. And once we have live chat and chatbots integrated, we will have more room for the ticket creation and for the automations as well.
Hmm.
Uh, as you can see here, you can see all the status of your tickets. You can select any particular status and it will be sorted automatically. We have few filters, and you can sort the tickets by like newest the tickets, highest priority, oldest one, or the or those tickets which are updated recently. You can easily search through the tickets, and on the right hand side you can see the details of the customer, like you can see their email ID, you can see their name, how many tickets they have created, number of open tickets, and all those details. And we have tried to add most of the features is customizable, so you can even drag and drop and prioritize like what things you want to see first and what on the last. From here you can assign this ticket to another agent, you can change the status of ticket, you can change the priorities as well, or if a customer has created multiple tickets for the same issue, what you can do is you can merge this ticket with another ticket. So there will be one ticket but merged one. You can add subjects to the ticket and you can delete the ticket as well. the name where you can see all the details of your customers. So basically, these are the list of all the people who have either raised a ticket or contact us via live chat. And when you go to any of the person, you get a detailed preview like how many customer support requests they have raised, how many live chat sessions they have created. If they have created in notes, you can see it here. And if you have connected Shopify store and WooCommerce store, you'll be able to see all this data here as well, like how many orders that particular person has with you or your one of your stores. And you can see details of their order status, order history, purchases or refunds as well. Then another module we have which is called live chat. So basically you will be getting a widget code which you can embed to any of your sites. There is no limitations for that. You can edit to multiple sites and all those live chat requests will be displayed here. And from here you can see the detail of the person who is chatting with you, their location, their details, and the page they are visiting right now. And another module which we have is a knowledge base. I will have to share my screen once again, because knowledge base is hosted on different domain. The reason is that we are providing custom domain for help desk and for the knowledge base as well. So you can add CNAME record for that, and you can have your own branded knowledge base on your own URL.
Which mean is
Just a minute,
is
let me
on the
share.
C name, right?
Right. Can you see the knowledge base screen?
Yes, but there's no data. They say sorry, no data found.
Right. Uh, you can create tickets for your articles. You can set categories for your articles. Pardon. You can add articles to that. Just a minute. You'll have to select an icon for that. And article is whenever you are trying to create an article, we have a fully featured editor where you can customize your article. You can format it as per your need. You can change wording. You can change font. You can bold it, or suppose if you want to like add an image, you can do that from here. You can add your SEO data here, and we are taking these details to uh, help knowledge base to connect with crawlers of search engines, and it will help in ranking your blogs or your articles better as well. Then we have site setting for the knowledge base. Basically, as I said, knowledge base is on separate domain. You will be able to customize or set it as per your need. So you can change the name of your headers, you can change colors, you can change logo, favicons, everything from this simple dashboard. Even you can add your white label link details. You can add your custom domains as well with the knowledge base. And let's get back to our help desk panel. This is the setting page. When you suppose if you have created a workspace in Desku, you'll be able to see all the separate settings for all of the workspaces you have. So here we have branding settings, custom domains, and white label. In branding, you can change your logo, you can change name of the brand or the workspace. You can upload your favicon. You can change the color branding as well. And what we have is like if you are selecting the primary colors, our system will automatically generate color codes for other items and other menus or links as well. You can add your custom domain. You can enable white label. You can do your email settings here, and we have SendGrid and custom SMTP and Mailgun as email drivers. So you can set up your own SMTP and emails will be sent from that. So consider it as an complete white label solution, right? Then we have general settings where you can set your time zone to sync the timing of ticket and everything. Then we have assignment settings for tickets. You can either assign it to a particular agent or you can select any agent, and based on how many tickets a person has, this system will assign tickets. Suppose if agent A has so many tickets, then system will try to assign any new tickets to the agent B or the C. So it's a kind of load balancer between tickets or the support request. Also, you can add auto reply. uh, you can type any pre-filled message, and whenever there is a new ticket, a customer will get an email with pre-populated data. And in our next update, we are adding variables for auto reply as well. So you can even personalize the auto replies whenever there is a new outgoing. And then we have status data. Like as you can see, most of the help desk has open, pending, or closed status. What we are trying to do with status setting is that we are allowing dynamic status. So you can create your own status as per your need, and that will be displayed in the ticket section. Then we have subject setting. You can consider subject as an tag as well. You can either take it, you can consider it as subject or tags or like that, and you can create multiple subjects. Like there are some queries for general, some are for refunds. So you can add subjects here, and whenever there is a new ticket, you can assign subjects to those tickets. Then we have agent settings. Agents are basically your team members. You can add multiple team members, and they'll be added to the system. And once they verify their email ID, they'll be able to access the portal as well. And we have created team settings. So basically, teams are departments. If you are creating a team for support, another team is for sales, you can create your departments or teams here, and they'll be able to suppose there are new tickets and you have assigned that mailbox to a particular team, then all the tickets will go to that team only. Then we have permission module. Just a minute. Okay. From here, you can select the permission you have. Suppose we have a team called support, and we are allowing them to view agents, add new agents. We are not allowing them to add new agents. They will not be able to add new agents or team members, but they can only perform actions which we are allowing them to do it. Part which we are focusing on right now is integration. Currently, we have integration with Woocommerce, which is live. We have integration with Envato for digital sales, that is live. Our Shopify app is in review mode in Shopify partners panel, and we estimate that it will be available within 2 weeks maybe.
That's good.
Currently, we have right, for automation we have Zapier and Pably Connect. Both are live and fully usable. We have more than 5 actions and more than 4 to 5 triggers live right now. And yeah, if you are currently a Tixi customer, you can import your all of your data from Tixi to our Desku panel as well with a single click. Uh, yeah, so these are the basic settings. Suppose you are enabling live chat, then we have a separate panel for that where you can customize your live chat widget as well. You can select the type of window. If you want to keep it as a bar, you can do that, or you are planning to do it or show it as a bubble, you can select that. We have few other types like modern view, smooth view. You can select your theme as well. Then you can select position of your chat widget, a few general settings like whom you want to assign once a customer creates a chat. Uh, we have easy integration with our help desk and the knowledge base as well. So once you toggle this show in help desk or show in knowledge base toggles, it will display the live chat widget on help desk and knowledge base as well without doing any kind of codes or integrations. And these are all the settings for live chat. Yeah, so that's it from my side right now, Albert.
Okay, yeah, I saw that. Uh, okay, can you show the audience how do you what they call install the code in the on one website or whatever, you know? How is the code look like?
Yeah, for the live chat, right? Sure, just a
Yeah,
minute.
live
Let me.
chat, you know? I mean that
Right,
I mean people are interested in that, you know?
right. Sure, definitely. So once you enable the live chat module, you'll be able to like. So as you can see, this is the
Code.
script which you. Yeah, this is the code which you will get, and basically what you will have to do is just copy this code and you can paste it to any of your websites before the closing body tag.
Mm-hmm.
You can simply paste it, yeah, before the closing body tag, and it will initiate the live chat. So if you guys want to see, I can create it uh, in a code pen account, and we can see how it works there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's nice to see. This is a JavaScript, right?
Yeah, this is JavaScript code. Just a minute. Charge alarm. Just a minute.
Yeah, no problem. Take your time. Okay, guys.
You can see my you can see my screen.
Yes, the black screen. You know.
Okay. So as you can see, I have pasted it in code pen editor, and here in the below you can see that it has initiated a live chat widget. So that way simply connect it with your any of your websites.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I saw that.
Right. Yeah, please go ahead. Let me get back to the screen of, yeah. Okay.
Okay, that would be nice. Okay, guys. So, Gaurav, have you? I mean, I think more or less you have actually gone through all these things. So I know that there are actually quite a number of competitors. Can you show us maybe is there any comparison that you can compare with your competitors?
Yeah, definitely. So basically, currently we are not trying to compete with anyone because we are in early stage and we have so much to improve right now. But we have created some comparison pages in our website. Let me show you.
Yeah, I mean, we are not
So
trying
yeah,
to put down other competitor
yeah,
or maybe down. We always strive to compare, which are the what I call good features of each competitors.
right. So yeah, as I said, we like if we are look into the competitors which we have, maybe we can consider MyLife as one of our competitors. We can consider Labidesk or Labino as our competitor,
Mm-hmm.
and we are almost trying to like combine four channels in one, which is help desk, live chat, knowledge base, and chatbots. So maybe we can consider livechat.com, helpdesk.com, chatbots.com, them to our competitors as well, because all those four websites are under one business, and we are trying to combine all those four things into Desku. So we can consider like them as our competitor as well.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can just go to the what they call, yeah, the comparison places.
Right.
So
So this
this is Labides, right?
Labides, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it's Labides. Information may not be correct, but we have tried to get all those details from their websites, their pricing plans, and everywhere. So, as you can see, we have shared inboxes. They have SAM, they have a knowledge base, they have limitations on number of agents, and we also have that, but we have it included in life LTD. So, after plan, after certain plan or after staking certain amount of codes, you'll be able to get unlimited members. We are not sure about they are providing white label or not, but we are providing that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they are providing Zapier in higher pricing plans, and we have included it for all of the plans. Uh, Same goes with Pebble Connect, with Shopify integration, with WooCommerce integration, Envato integration. Most of the competitors which you have right now are not providing any kind of support or integrations with Envato. Envato is basically a digital asset and code selling site, right? A marketplace for selling codes. So all those authors who are selling on Envato, we think Desku will be an easy solution for them as well. And here we have pricing comparisons. Starter plans of our Desku is starting at $18 per month, and Labidesk is starting at $128. So those are the major things we may consider as competition or competitors.
Mm-hmm.
Right. And if we look at Thrive Dash, they are doing pretty good. As I said, we are very early and we are not competing. But if we look into the comparison of features, we can say this is what we have. Our live chat is live, our knowledge base is live. Currently, they are not saying that their knowledge base is live. They are saying that it will be available soon. Uh, the same goes with them as well, that Thrivedesk is providing limitations on agents. They are charging based on user, so $15 per month per user. And with Desku, we don't have that limitations if you are an LTD customer.
Yeah, just to interrupt, is Stripe Desk is only on what do you call this? What platform is that? Oh, guys, I do not know what happened. Suddenly, his video is gone. So I think he's might have cut off. So don't worry. So he will come back. So okay, we saw that some of you have not give permission to this Melon to show us your name and also photo. Can you please do that? No, because that will be easy for everyone to see your chat. Okay. Yeah, Ahmad Taif, Ishak, you just came in. So while we are waiting for him to come back to the stream, let's see whether he's coming back. I'm checking the Facebook Messenger. So I think could be a power 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 outage or whatever. I'm not sure. Let's wait for a few minutes. Yeah, it's coming back now.
I'm sorry for that. I think that was internet connectivity issue. Am I audible now?
Yeah, you're live now. No problem.
Perfect. Yeah. Sorry for that. Yeah.
Okay, can continue whatever that we have.
Yeah. Yeah. So, like, as we are talking about competitors, we can see like we have MyLice as one of our competitors. They recently did LTD on AppSumo Select, and we are not on Select. We are on AppSumo Marketplace because from starting we were looking for feedbacks instead of revenue. That was our primary goal. So we decided to go with Marketplace on AppSumo. Currently, MyAllies do not provide shared inbox, which we have right now. They are
You
not
show the
providing white
comparison
label
chart,
as well.
Gaurav. Sorry, just show the
Yeah,
easier to understand.
right. So the same way they do not provide shared inbox right now. I guess they are trying to add it on future updates, but currently they don't have that option. Which we have right now. We have white label options. We have Zapier integration. They do not have it right now. They do not have integration with Envato as well.
Mm-hmm.
And we are releasing mobile apps as well very soon. Like we'll be doing it within 2 to 3 weeks for Android beta users, and we are working on desktop version as well. So once we release mobile apps, our clients and customers will be able to log into multiple workspaces from the single dashboard, and they can manage all of their workspaces from a single panel. Yeah, so that's it for when we like talk about competitors.
Yeah, of course. Every what they call player will have their own strong points and also maybe
Right.
or points to maybe call weaknesses. To improve on. So, but then it's good to know. So that we can make a comparison in the buyer's mind. So maybe should we go to the question and answer session now, and we can always come back. If anything they want to see.
Yeah, definitely. Uh,
Okay, let me project the question up there. So let me hold on there. Oh, hello, hello, hello. Okay, this is the question. Is there a portal for client to check messages they send and receive?
right. Yeah, we have a conversional ticketing way where customers can see whatever tickets they have created. They'll be able to see all the list of the tickets. They'll be able to reply from that panel, and they can create new tickets as well from there. So yeah, we have a dashboard for the clients of the portal as well.
Okay, when you reply the ticket, would it go into the email? Definitely.
Right. Yeah, it goes into the email, and the notification works both ways. So the agent who is assigned to ticket will also get notified, and it will go to the inbox of that particular customer as well. And it will display on the conversational way as well on the dashboard for customers. Yeah.
Okay, okay, that's nice. If anybody have any other question on this regarding this topic, just ask below. Okay, this one is a GDPR. Okay, Dave Smith is the one who asked. Where
Right.
does the
Yeah.
data go?
So yeah, currently we are using Amazon AWS, and we are storing data on US region, and we are looking to like improve more on GDPR side. Uh, if we talk about e-commerce data, we already implemented few rules like if a business owner is connecting or integrating Shopify stores, and whenever a customer deletes their accounts with that particular business, then we are removing all the data of that user from the panel. So we are currently complying with GDPR rules of Shopify and WooCommerce, and we are trying to improve in that section as well.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And this question is by Charles Yo, WhatsApp.
Right. Currently, we don't have integration for WhatsApp, but it is added into our internal roadmap, and we'll definitely have it in our future updates. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Any time frame or whatever?
Uh, we may see that in quarter two, Q2 or Q3 this year.
Okay, that's nice. Charles, that's your
Yeah.
answer. Okay, next one is Accor. Accor. Okay, does it have email marketing tool integrated? So, what is the integration? Is it through Zapier and Publi, or is it direct integration?
No. So currently we have integrations through Zapier and Pebble. So you'll be able to connect it with any tool you are using for email marketing. We are exploring API for Encharge right now, and we are looking to other integrations for email marketing as well. But we are, yeah, highly focusing on suggestions or improvements provided by our customers. So if you see there are other tools or other email marketing tools that can benefit, then we request you to like provide it into our roadmap. So I'll be able to add that in our future updates.
Yeah, that's good. Thank you. Let's go to the next question. Okay, Bongnam Nguyen was asking, are there limits per workspace?
Stores are per workspace. Yeah. So all of the pricing plan which are mentioned on our website, and all of the limits we have mentioned are per workspace. So suppose you are getting three stores and five workspaces, then you will get three stores on each workspace. So right, the limits are as per the workspaces.
Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you. So Nilayan was asking, okay, how old is the product? Even though it looks polished, very polished. So, Gaurav, so how old is the product?
Yeah, is not like we yeah, I can say we have been working on Desku for almost a year, and yeah, like it's good to hear that when people say that the product looks very polished. Yeah, your time frame of a year is not that big even for the product like this, so it feels great like when people appreciate our efforts. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I have to agree, because the UIs looks modern and also
Right.
colorful in the sense, so it's pleasing to the eye. So I mean, don't have to worry, even though your product is less than a year old or less than 2 years old. I mean, what is important is you put your heart and conviction into making this your product better. Better not
Right.
because of competitor, but better from the day one until your future. So you can
Right.
improve every month, every year, then you are on the right track. So that's what I think.
Right, and yeah, definitely all of this credit goes to my team basically, because they also share the same vision. Like most of the time, I never have to tell them like what we should do. Instead, I have to tell them that it's already late. We should go home now. So yeah, we are pretty solid on that one.
Okay, that's good. Okay. Yeah, I think this one has been answered, Macam Putih. So it will be in Q2 or Q3. Okay,
Right.
this WhatsApp. Okay, let's hide this question. Okay, this is interesting. Suja was asking, is there any integration to follow up or get review about quality of support after live chat?
Yes. So we have integrated CSAT for that. once there is chat is ended from either from tenant or from support agent or the customer, there will be an option called review. They can select rating from 1 star to 5 star, and they can rate their conversation. It goes same with the ticket as well, and they can rate the ticket. So yeah, we have that.
Okay, nice. Okay, so this is WooCommerce. Is it possible to display product in live chat?
Right. Yeah, it's possible, but currently we do not have that, as live chat is also recently introduced and recently released. We have plans for adding that. Even we have plan for connecting our live chat with the chatbots we are going to introduce very soon. And for all those e-commerce partner, what we are trying to do is that we will automate most of the things. For example, if a customer is wanted to see the status of their orders, they can check that from the important live chat. They don't need to even contact the customer support agents. So we are heavily working on improvements and future versions as well. So yeah, this is available, and it will be available very soon.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay, that's nice. Okay, let me see which question. Okay, Faz Musa was asking this knowledge based feature. Are there templates in this feature?
Yeah.
Okay, I think
Uh,
different industry have different templates, so I'm not sure.
right. So yeah, when we created knowledge base, our aim was that we will create a unified solution. So there is no template right now. You can simply add your categories and add your articles, and it works the same way for any business, no matter from for which business you are trying to create it. It simply works it. So currently we don't have any templates.
Yeah, because there are countless of industry and a niche, So I believe that all these have to be on your own. No, it's not generic, But maybe I would say maybe you can have something like a section on FAQ, or maybe what is this product, a very generic category, like what is this product, why do you need this or whatever, blah blah blah. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Oh, Ahmad, Ishak were asking when is social media integration coming? Gaurav, are you online or are you cut off now? Look like your video is frozen. I think he's offline, if I'm not wrong, because the video is, yeah, that happened. No, this is second time. Okay, he's coming back. Okay, Gaurav. Yeah, this is the question. When is the
Hello.
social media integration coming?
Yeah. Yeah. Uh, am I audible? Uh, yeah, we are currently.
No, we cannot hear you.
Hello.
Can you hear us? Okay, maybe you have to what I call your browser. You have to close all the unrelevant browser except this live stream browser, live stream trap. Okay.
My internet connectivity, I guess.
Yeah,
Audible now?
yeah, we can hear you now. So
Hello.
maybe we'll project this
Yeah.
question again.
Perfect.
When is this social media integration coming? Ahmad was asking.
Yeah. Um, yeah. Our social media integration will be available for beta testing in Q2 or Q3, and we will have final and full release in Q3 as well. That's what we are estimating right now. We are focusing on Facebook Messenger and Facebook comments. Then we will move to Instagram. So that is our primary focus right now.
Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you. Let me see. Okay, this question. Who is asking this question? Let me check. Okay, Vice Musa was asking. I'm using Melon app. So Melon app is just like Restream, Floating Live, and other kind of live streaming, wave video. So okay, let's hide this one. Okay, Fira Rasa was asking, is there a free trial?
So currently, we don't have free trial, but we have a video library where you can see all the features of Desku. Uh, the video library link to the library is also shared on our website on resources section, so you'll be able to see all the details about the features, how to use them, how to set up them.
Okay, I think
Right. So currently we don't have, yeah, trials enabled.
mhm, no problem because I think, yeah, but I believe some of the audience have some issue on the sound, also cannot hear. I'm not sure because cannot hear just now what you're talking, or they just cannot hear now. So okay, Tauhid, you are saying that you cannot hear. So can you hear now? If you can hear, please just say it in the chat so that we know. Okay, sound is working. Okay, that's good.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, guys, do you have still have any other question before we actually do a wrap up and also do the draw for this what they call the giveaway? Okay. Okay, before we wrap up, Gaurav, can you show your pricing page for the AppSumo? Maybe you
Um,
just tell the audience, what is
um,
actually
yeah,
included.
yeah, sure. So yeah, let me first show the AppSumo pricing plan, and then we will move to the stacking options which we have right now. Just a minute. Let me open a product on AppSumo.
Yeah.
Yeah. So these are the pricing plans which we have on AppSumo. The basic plan, which has one workspace, five team members, you can add one shared inbox, one Shopify store, one WooCommerce store, unlimited articles for knowledge base, and custom domain and white label is available for all of the plans. Either you are using it for Helpdesk or for the knowledge base. And yeah, integration section access also like enabled for all of the plans and all of the customers. And in future we are introducing webhooks and APIs as well. And we understand that it is a basic necessary for businesses, so we are going to like enable it for all of the plans, either it's a starter or it's an unlimited fully stacked plan.
Okay, just to need to confirm, Ahmad was asking, the workspace is actually for one brand, right? One workspace for one brand.
Yeah, so yeah, one workspace is for one brand. uh, you can add your live chat widget to multiple websites, or you can add multiple stores into a workspace. Suppose you are talking about Shopify, you can add multiple stores, like three or five stores under a brand. That's up to you how you can manage it, but one workspace is a brand, right?
Okay, thank you. Yeah, continue talking about your What is this one? This is your agency plan, right?
Right. So all these are the pricing plan. If you are looking to stack, suppose you need three workspaces, you can stack two pods.
Oh, okay.
We have plan C, plan D, and plan E, and all of the plan has enhanced limits for shared inboxes, for Shopify stores, and for WooCommerce stores. And all of the limit here specified are per workspace. So you are getting 10. You are suppose you are stacking for plan D, you will be getting 10 shared inboxes for each workspace.
Hmm. Yeah, this is let me enlarge. Yeah, that this will be good, because I mean the AppSumo what they call deal terms are not very so-called friendly. This is better. You can show
Right. Yeah.
all the what they call deals that is in one glance. Can you
Right.
post
So
it
yeah, you
in
can
our
see
group,
that.
so that we can see, I mean later.
Sure. Yeah. Definitely. Let me share the URL and the image as well.
That will be good. Okay, let's Ahmad was asking, inbox equal to email. So basically, I think he
Right.
asking is how many email you can have, right, for the inbox.
Right. So if you are talking about shared inbox, in plan A we have one shared inbox. In plan B, we have three shared inbox per workspace. Let me show you a demo how shared inbox works in a short overview.
Hmm. Yeah, because
So
that screen
basically,
is
as you can
good.
see my
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we can
right.
see.
So
Mm.
yeah, here you can see that this demo dash helpdesk 253 at the rate desco.email is a shared inbox, right? So you can forward your support email ID to this email ID, and it will works like whenever someone is creating a new ticket and sending you an email, it will be visible in your inbox, and in the ticket section. Connectivity is slow right now.
Yeah, just now, Gaurav,
So
that,
yeah,
that,
it will be
that, that
displayed in
URL
this
you have to put it in the group so that people
chat.
can see the, yeah.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, hello.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's
Yeah,
good.
I will share that. Yeah.
Let's go to the question from Macang Pete.
Trusted in Widget that can be integrated with WooCommerce. Yeah, so that's the goal right now. So what we are trying to, as I said earlier as well, that we are trying to implement all those social media inboxes, shared inboxes into one channel, and in future we'll have automation for that as well. So you'll be able to manage your e-commerce orders through the live chat.
Okay, next question is by Sorry Ahmad. Unlimited page view for one brand.
Yeah, there are no limitations on page views, so definitely it's unlimited page views for one brand. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, just to be confirmed. You want to be sure.
Yeah.
Okay, I think Ahmad asked this question. Okay, you have to go back to just now that particular, plan A, plan B, plan C, where the workspace to
Mhm.
tie into how many. Yeah, that's this one. So this is the important what they call URL. So just afterwards, maybe you can tap it in the our group so that everybody will know. Okay.
Right.
Then this last question is from Fira Raza. how does Desku handle email forwarding?
Uh, I'm not sure about this question. We are using premium uh, email providers, SendGrid, Mailgun, and we have few other integrations. And there is no need of email forwarding right now. If you're talking about inbounds, we are using SendGrid for inbound emails and inbound management. So yeah, feel free to connect with me at gaurav@desco.io, and we can have a call and we can discuss about it as well if needed.
Okay, that will be nice. Okay, that's it, guys. So if you have any question, the last question before we actually go into the giveaway. If not, then we will go into the giveaway now. Let me hide this question. Okay, I have collected all the names here. Let me share my screen. Okay, guys, this is the screen, which we are waiting for, and I'm tapping your name all inside here. Okay, please check whether your names are there. If your names are not there, please type in the chat box, then I can add in your name if you are around. Okay, this question, I'm not sure who asked this one. Look like also. Okay, Ahmad, this question you can be answered if you look at that just now that particular what I call a page, on the share inbox and different plan. Okay, Gaurav will actually share the URL later in your group.
Yeah, sure, we'll do that.
Okay, let me see. So these are the names. Okay, Muhammad Omar Farooq and also Pradeep Mandelia. So both of you came in just now. Okay, just let me add in your name. Okay, let's go to the spinning and I will shuffle the name here. So we hope that the best guy will win, and if you're lucky guys, you will win this. So let me spin, shuffle again. So you spin one time, and I hope that the most lucky guy will win. Let's go. Oh, Faiz Musa.
Yeah,
Okay, congratulations.
congratulations, Faz.
First, are you there to claim your prize? If you are not there, we will give away the prize to another person. Just type your name in the chat.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
sometimes
we
people
have
just walk
Faz,
away. So if you walk away, then
right?
okay, because I didn't see your name because you didn't put your names. Is that you? Let me check whether it's you. Okay, that's you because you have to give permission to this Melon app to show the
Melon
name
app.
as well as a profile photo because or else we can't get the name. Okay, so thanks, guy. This is the end of our webinar, and we will wrap up now. and hopefully, you guys will have a look in detail on what they call this. Hold on, let me hide this screen first. Yeah, this is our handsome faces. So if you have any other question, you can always ask again inside our Facebook group, or even contact Gaurav directly through email or private message. And we hope that you can have a look at this Desku. And personally, I believe it has actually encompasses a lot of things inside. As we can see from all the comparison against competing products. So with this, I would like to say thank you and what I call congratulations to Faiz Musa on winning this. And we hope to see you in the next session. And before we end, we'd like to request you to give a thumb up in the Facebook. Either give a thumb up or a heart shape. So that we know that you enjoy this one. So Gaurav, you have any other thing to say?
No, that's it. Thank you everyone for joining. Thank you for taking time to go through this webinar, and feel free to get in touch with me anytime, either via Facebook or my email ID, which I already provided, which is gaurav@desco.io. And yeah, looking forward to your suggestions and improvements which we can do to improve our product and uh, to make a solid product for future as well.
Mhm.
So that's it. Thank you, everyone. Up to you, Albert.
Yeah, thank you, Gaurav. We hope all the best for your launch. And for guys, if you think that you want to buy this, please go ahead. And I will say thank you for your attendance and bye bye now.
Bye bye, everyone. Thank you, Albert. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.